What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a screen protector here from a company called Whitestone Dome. Now you could drop down into the description if you want to pick this up. You can pick them up. They have all kinds of screen protectors for this, but this is more of a tempered glass. Pretty easy to install, but I'm going to show you how to install, and you can also pick that up. But make sure you also hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell when you know videos like this are coming. Now, this is a beautiful beast of a phone, so you want to make sure that you have it protected because you know, you got that beautiful design. You don't want anything happening to the glass. Although you got the titanium and everything, you want to make sure everything is buckled up. Now you're going to drop in here. Now this has it's easy and simple. You get perfect vivid clarity. You'll be able to see, you'll be able to touch, shatter resistant and scratch protection. So they give you a 5-pack in here, which is pretty impressive if you ask me. A lot of these companies, when they do tempered glass, they only give you about maybe 2, maybe 3. Some companies only give you 1, which is not cool. Now it comes with all the accessories here: a microfiber cloth, dust absorber stickers, and a cloth. You also have I think this is awesome when they give you this little guide, because it makes it a little easier to install. So I'll show you how to do that. It also has an installation guide, but you're watching the video, so you don't really need that. And then you have your 5 screen protectors here. So we're gonna go ahead and grab one for the video, and then we're gonna probably just use this as a little base so that we can install it, and we're gonna get into it. But the first thing that you want to do with your phone is you want to power it off. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your microfiber cloth after your device is off, and you're going to go ahead and just wipe it down. That way you have no dust, nothing, no grime, no dirt, nothing. They give you a pretty good one, nice and wet, so that you can kind of clean it all off so you don't have any issues. I remember when I first started putting screen protectors on, I used to go to T-Mobile and have them put it on for me. And now I'm doing YouTube videos on how to install screen protectors, because I used to be freaked out. I was like, can you put this on for me? Because I thought they were professionals, and I was like, I need somebody to kind of actually do this for me. Man, times have changed. But yeah, then you take your microfiber cloth, kind of wipe it down real good so everything's nice and clean. Then you're gonna grab your dust absorber stickers, and you're gonna use this and kind of get everything, make sure there's no dust. I mean, it's not impossible if you have a dust-free environment, which most of us don't. You want to turn on the hot water in your bathroom and install it in there. Hey man, go to it, whatever you want to do. So then you're going to grab your guide here. Now at the top of this guide here, it says iPhone 15 Pro. So you're going to make sure that's at the top, and then you kind of just put this on here. And then what I do is I grab my dust absorber sticker again, because, you know, when you're kind of transferring over, you might have got something there. All right, so what you want to do is pull it sideways, grab your screen protector here with your guide there, and kind of just pull this off here. Then you want to place it right away onto your device, like that. And then you want to make a little cross here, down and across. That way everything kind of settles. And you could take this off once that's on there. And then you want to just make your bubbles out here with the cloth here. And all these, if you do have some bubbles left over, they will eventually come out. But I do like how it has like a little black around the border to kind of match the bezel. But I think this one came out pretty good, if you ask me. All right, so I'm gonna fire this on, but like I said, this came out really good. And I do like their products from Whitestone Dome. And I do like the fact that they give you 5 of these. which is great. And I like this little black bezel around, and this is pretty good quality. You see, everything works perfect. And as you can see, it's a perfect installation. And this will work with cases because it comes pretty close to the edge. So it should work with cases. As long as you're careful when you put it on, you're gonna be fine. But yeah, if you wanna hook this up with Whitestone Dome, go ahead and hit that link down below and you'll be able to pick this up. Very affordable, and you'll be good to go. But I like the package. I like the 5 screen protectors. I think it's great. Very easy to install. Just follow my video. Catch you guys later. Peace.